Hello, everybody, and what I'm standing next to is a 1984 Arrowglass center console boat that I got off Facebook Marketplace for free. And this is going to be my next project, probably my biggest project right here. So the Arrowglass boats started manufacturing them in like 1959. The company was founded by two gentlemen, Harry and Mike something, and they were known to be the customer's boat or customer's design. I guess customers, a lot of these boats were slightly custom, meeting customer demands, and they were known for that internationally. So the company, when they first started, was making about a hull a day, and by the mid 70s, they were making up to about 5,000 hulls per year. So quite a good amount of boats. At that time, they were bought out by, I think it's Eldocraft, then Day Marine, then Eldocraft, and then finally by General Marine. And Hourglass Boats ended up basically folding or declaring bankruptcy or closing up in the mid 90s. And then that's the last you see of Hourglass Boats. They were known for their durability and for, like I said, their customer design. And actually, there's a little plaque on the inside that says customer design. I think so. I think it says. Let's see what it says. Customer designed boats. So that's it. Like I said, got it off Facebook Marketplace for free. Story is, this guy actually had it posted up for $800, and I was like, no way. But I let him know I was interested, and I said, if no one wants it, I'll come take it. And he's like, well, I have some people looking at it. They came, they looked, they realized that the trailer probably wouldn't make it back to where they were, wherever that was. And he gave me a call, and he's like, all right, come get this thing. I said, great. Allegedly, he owned it. He was the original owner of the boat. Then what happened was he gave it to his uncle at some point. It sat in disrepair for a while, and then he took it back because he felt it was being neglected, was going to repair it, and didn't. And it's probably the reason why I got it for free, which is fine. It's another project. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the boat, see what I'm dealing with, and start from there. So as we walk around the boat, you can see it's got some little, breaks in that gel coat and up there, which is fine. That could all get fixed. The trailer, it made it back, no problem. It's going to definitely need some work. You see it's definitely rusted out. But anyway, getting back to the boat, relatively nice design boat. Hourglass, that's still there. Kind of come around, you can see there's little fractures in the gel coat and stuff. There is the V4 Johnson 120. That's on it. Nice little motor. Allegedly, like I said, he said it ran. I don't know. We'll find out if it runs or not. But the reason why I got it for free is this right there. So that transom is cracked. You can actually see, if we look at it from the side, it's got kind of like a dip into it right here as well. So I'm going to have to remove basically the whole back of this and rebuild that out, which is fine. I got nothing else to do. Probably don't need this project. That's okay. Coming around, pretty much the same on that side. There's the motor. So let's take a little walk inside the boat. So we're going to climb up in. All right. And I basically have touched nothing. My son was in here with his friend. They were poking around. So let's get inside. All right. So we got some cushions here. Oh, yeah. Charger. All right, cushions. We got this little box goes inside here. I attempted to charge this. I know they weren't holding a charge. Whatever. So there's that. This, let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, live well. That's opened up. There's that. The little deck hatch, soft. Let's take a look inside. There you have it. There. Little hole up in the front. Sure, that's not supposed to be there. Anyway, continuing around, got some little rod storage. Rod storage there. There. Little center console. It's got some electronics on it. These are all going to come out. We'll replace all that stuff. Okay, moving around a little bit more. Going to the front of the boat. All right, we got a little hatch here. All these hatches are going to have to be remade. Obviously, something's living there, so we're going to get all this stuff cleaned out. Another hatch.
But I don't know what the deal is with that. I don't think that should be that way, but I'm not really sure. So that may have to get repaired. Not a priority. Cushion. There. Obviously, the cushion's real bad. This opens up like that. You got that in there. Some more little storage. Got the cracked glass right there. This is what it is. Like I said, we're going to get this thing all cleaned up. Probably one of the first things I'll do is get all the leaves, everything, debris out. Make our way back and give it a good power wash. Most of the floor is actually solid. Right there is soft. So whether or not that gets fixed or I just don't, we'll see. That's it. And there's the V4. Steering seems a little locked up, so that's going to have to get taken care of. That's got to get cleaned up. But motor is not my top concern right now. It is literally that transom. Take a look at the boat again. There it is. That's the Aeroglass 18-foot center console. All right, let's get down from here. I don't trust that swim platform. So I guess they tried to repair it. I don't know if this aluminum is stock to the boat. I don't really think so, but it could be. This piece obviously is. Take a look under the hood here. This little sticker, Al's Marine Service. Underneath, let's see. Doesn't look too bad. So we'll see what happens with that, but definitely going to be getting this outboard off first. I'm not even going to attempt to run it right away. It's not what I need to do first. So there we go. So there it is. I'm back. So I hope you enjoyed my little tour of my Aeroglass boat. I think I'm going to kind of do things first is I got to build an outboard stand. I want to get the motor off, and I really want to tackle that transom first. Get the boat cleaned up. That's the other thing that's going to get done first. We'll get the boat cleaned up so I know like that stuff's out of there. Build an outboard stand, get the outboard off, and then it's tackle that transom. The trailer will eventually get done too. Once I know that's good to go and it's running, then I'll probably tackle the trailer. Or just use it. We'll see what happens. But anyway, that is it. I'll try to put out a video once a week or once every 2 weeks. We'll see. If not, maybe I'll put out more. Maybe I'll put it less. But if you want to see more, please like and subscribe. It's going to help me kind of get through this project. I like doing it anyway and filming it, so who really cares? But I like it. Definitely can help out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you know anything about this boat, leave it in the comments. If you just want to say, look at this guy work on this boat, leave it in the comments. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.